Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abenazia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my goat meat light soup or goat meat pepper soup. You can also call it Aponkye Nkrakra. Let's get right into it. To my blender, I'll add my onion, ginger, garlic, half-size green bell peppers, and my habanero pepper. I'll add in my tomato paste. I have about 6 ounces of tomato paste and then a teaspoon of aniseed. I'll add a bit of water and then I'll blend until very smooth. Now let's begin making the soup. To a pot, I'll add my washed goat meat and then I have here Goat Tripe, which I've washed thoroughly as well. I'll then add in my blended vegetables, a tablespoon of beef bouillon, or you can use any seasoning of choice, and a tablespoon of salt. I'll give it a mix and then I'll cover and allow it to steam for about 7 to 10 minutes. If you're new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. God bless you. I'll now check my meat, give it a stir, and then I'll cover and allow it to steam for another 15 minutes. Steaming your goat meat for a longer period of time allows the meat to absorb more of the natural ingredients that is put on there. You want the meat to be flavorful and taste good. So I recommend you steam your meat for a longer period of time when making this soup. I'll now give my meat a final stir and then I'll add in my water. And I'll be adding the water according to the size of my pot. I'll then add in my onion, tomatoes, and carrots, and then I'll allow the soup to boil for about 20 minutes or until the vegetables are very soft or cooked. At this point in time, my vegetables is very well cooked. I'll remove my tomatoes, onion, and all the carrots. I'll blend it, and then I'll bring it back to the soup. My vegetables is all done blending. I'll add it to the soup and then I'll rinse my blender with about a cup of water and then I'll add that also to the soup. Now this is optional. I'm adding fresh tilapia to my soup. You can add any type of fish to your soup. You can also omit the fish. And then I'll add in 1 shrimp onga cube, a few habanero peppers for garnish. This is also optional. And then I'll allow the soup to simmer on a medium heat for about 15-20 minutes. Just in case you're wondering why I added my tilapia in so late, when you add your tilapia in at this point, your tilapia will gently cook and not break into your soup. And please don't stir your soup once your tilapia goes in. You want your tilapia to remain whole in the soup. My soup is simmering on a low heat. It is ready to be served. And I'll be enjoying this soup with fufu. You can enjoy the soup with any starch of choice, guys. If you have not subscribed at this point, please kindly subscribe. Hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support and for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. Dinner is served. You are all invited. Stay blessed and please stay safe. Bye, guys.